Hi lovelies! As we welcome 2023, I am more committed than ever to making my health a priority, which is why I am so excited to be partnering with Ritual to bring you this absolutely delicious protein-packed salmon bowl that is just bursting with good-for-you ingredients. Speaking of good-for-you ingredients, Ritual's Essential for Women multivitamin has become my daily go-to. It's part of my New Year ritual. It's packed with 9 high-quality nutrients that can be hard to get every day, even with a healthy diet. On top of that, their clean and traceable products are non-GMO, vegan, gluten-free, allergen-free, and contain no added sugar. So there's a lot to feel good about. With products for every stage of life like kids, teens, pre and postnatal, and 50 plus, Ritual supports the health of your whole family. And they're giving you 30% off your first month to help you build a wellness habit that lasts. You can find all the details in the description box below. Now, without further ado, let's get to today's delicious protein-packed salmon bowl. This salmon is just so fresh and so flavorful, and it is perfect for meal prep. So you can make a nice big batch and store it in the refrigerator until you're ready to eat it. So I've got 4 beautiful salmon fillets here, and I'm going to start by seasoning them liberally with a little bit of salt. And then I'm going to add my dried herbs, starting with some oregano, some basil, some parsley, and some dill. You can use fresh herbs here, but I always find dried herbs are a little more forgiving. They tend to burn less in the oven, and I always have them on hand. I don't always have fresh herbs on hand, so the dried herbs are great. Next, I'm going to add some minced garlic to that, as well as some olive oil. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add the juice of half a lemon. Okay, so now that my salmon is coated in all of this incredible flavor, I'm just gonna go ahead and pop it into the fridge and let it marinate for between 15 and 30 minutes. The good news is it doesn't take long to infuse it with all of that amazing flavor. When I'm ready to cook them, I'm going to preheat my oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit and cook them for between 10 and 12 minutes. And then while those are baking away, I'm going to set to work on creating this absolutely amazing protein-packed salad to serve with my salmon. So in my bowl, I'm starting with some cooked quinoa that I've allowed to cool. And to that, I'm going to add some chickpeas. So these are canned chickpeas. They've been rinsed and drained. I'm also gonna go ahead and add tons of great crunch with some mini cucumbers here that I've thinly sliced, as well as some cherry tomatoes. I love the flavor of red onion, so I'm adding some thinly sliced red onion here. If you wanna skip it, you definitely can. Some people have very strong feelings about red onion either way. If you wanna skip it, go ahead and leave it out, but I think it adds a ton of beautiful flavor. And then speaking of flavor, I am also going to be adding some freshly chopped dill here. So fresh herbs are so beautiful in a salad like this. If you don't have dill, you could use parsley or basil instead. Both would be really yummy, but dill is absolutely delicious with salmon, as you know. Now, to dress this salad, I'm keeping things really simple. I've got a couple tablespoons of olive oil headed in here and the juice of half a lemon. And honestly, guys, there is so much goodness in this bowl. I'm gonna stir this up really well to get it all coated in that dressing. When it's time to assemble my bowls, I'm just going to pile this salad on top of some mixed greens and then finish each one off with a piece of that gorgeous salmon. Guys, I cannot begin to tell you how absolutely delicious these bowls are. They're perfect for lunch, dinner, and they are packed with protein, and there's just so much to feel good about. So fresh, so delicious, the perfect way to start the new year. I hope you love this recipe as much as I do and that you will give it a try for yourselves. If you do, be sure to tweet me, Instagram me, or Facebook me a photo, because you guys know how much I love seeing your kitchen creations. This recipe, like all of my recipes, can be found on the domesticgeek.com. And I want to thank Ritual so much for sponsoring this video. Remember, they are giving you 30% off your first month to help build a wellness habit that lasts. You can find all those details in the description box below. Finally, thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe because there is lots more deliciousness where this came from.